Thinking about plan for the BMO Send Word Elite Mastercard, or here's a quick step-by-step guide to make it easy. First, check your eligibility. You need to be at least 18, a Canadian resident, and have a strong credit history. Having your income and address history ready makes the process smoother. Well, next, head to the official BMO website and find the Ascend World Elite Mastercard page. Take a moment to review the benefits like 1.5% cash back on travel, dining, and entertainment, 1% on everything else, so plus comprehensive travel insurance and no foreign transaction fees. When you're ready, click apply now. You'll enter your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with your employment status and annual income. BMO will perform a soft credit check first, so your credit score won't be affected. If that initial check passes, you'll complete the full application and often receive an instant decision. If you have it approved, your new card typically arrives in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once it's delivered, activate it online or through the BMO mobile app. Then you're all set. Start earning cash back on travel, dining, entertainment, and more. And that's really it. It's simple, fast, and rewarding. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me which card you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time around.